Greetings everyone, in today's video I will show you how to delete all Facebook friends at once. Before you get started, please subscribe our channel. As you can see, here is total 3 friends in my profile. So first of all, we need to add an extension. So I am going to open my Chrome extension, Chrome Web Store, and click on this chrome.google.com web store. Open this URL and now search here LOC. Now click on add to Chrome add extension. Once download it, finish, click here, and now here we can see the extension. Now pin this from here, and after that close this web store and click on this extension here, and here we can see my profile picture, and here your profile will be automatically added in this extension. So after that you have to click on these tools and now click on friends recom, and now click on friends removal. After that here we can see my other 3 friends here. To remove all these friends at once, I am clicking on this checkbox icon, and here we can see all my friends have been selected. Now I am clicking one by one. Are you sure? Are you able to remove 3 friends? Now I am clicking on unfriend, and here we can see my older friends have been unfriended. So this is the way how you can delete all Facebook friends at once. This is the video for today. Thanks for watching.